Welcome! In front of me I have HUAWEI Watch Fit 4 Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to upload your own music to this watch. Before we start, if you want to upload your music to your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the HUAWEI Health application. And once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we need to open the HUAWEI Health application on the phone that is paired with our watch. In the app, you should see the health page. Now tap on devices. And here you should see your HUAWEI Watch Fit 4 Pro. Tap on it to select it, of course. Once you open the device page, scroll down and look for music. Once you find it, tap on it. And here, tap on Manage Music. Oh, my bad, Manage Music, right here. As you can see, we have the list of songs, and you can add songs. You can tap on Add Song, tap on Settings, allow the required permission by tapping on the switch, and then tap on Back, go back to HUAWEI Health application. And now when you tap on Add Songs, it will open the basically menu, and you can go through the songs, artists, albums, and folders. I want to open the download folder, so I'm gonna open it. And here we have a song. Let's say I want to use this one, so select it, and then tap on the check mark to confirm. We can tap on OK, and the transfer will start. It might take a while because it's transferring over the Bluetooth, I believe, so it might be taking longer than you expected. Okay, and now the song is on our watch. You can see it right here on the list. You can also remove the song by tapping on the icon right here and tapping on delete. And as you can see, you have option add to, and I believe this allows you to add the song to the playlist. Yeah, you can create a playlist and just tap on OK, and now you have a playlist with one song right here, and you can manage your playlist by tapping on it. You can add songs, change the name, and delete the playlist if you want. Okay, so we added the song to our watch, so let's check if it's actually on our watch. Wake up the screen, press the Chrome button to open the menu, then let's look for the music icon or something like that. Oh, there it is. Music. Tap on it. We have two songs. We can tap on songs, and here's our song. And if we tap on it, it should start playing. Okay, and that's how you upload the songs to this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.